Hello everyone, welcome to our channel MS Ukani Private Tuition. So today we are going to study about Standard 9 Maths NCERT plus CBSE Board, Chapter number 2, Polynomials, Exercise 2.2, Question 2. Find P0, P1, P2 for each of the following polynomials. Means here one equation has been given, and in this equation in the variable y we have to put 0 value, 1 value and 2 value. Means three types of sum we will do. So first of all we are putting 0 in place of y. So let us, here I had written already a question. So in place of y we will put 0 first of all. So 0 whole square minus 0 plus 1. Okay, so let us do the sum. 0 square will be 0 minus 0 plus 1. Okay, now 0 0 will be cut, so our answer will be 1. So when we are putting 0 in place of y, our answer will be 1. Now again in this same equation we will put the value 1. Okay, so first of all we will write the question y square minus y plus 1. This is our question. Okay, so now we have to put the value 1 in place of y. So 1 square minus 1 plus 1. Okay, 1 square will remain 1 only, minus 1 plus 1. Again plus 1 minus 1 will be cut 0. Okay, 1 minus 1 will be 0 plus 1. So our answer will be 1. Okay, so this is the one value when we are putting in place of y, our polynomial answer will be 1. Let us move to the third one, that is 2. Now we will put the same 2 in this equation. Okay, so let us do the sum. Here we are doing the sum. First of all we will write the same equation, y square minus y plus 2. Now we are putting as a 2 value. Okay, so 2 square minus 2 plus 1. 2 square will be 4 minus 2 plus 1. 4 minus 2 will be 2 plus 1. So our answer will be 3. Okay, so in this way we had completed the first question. Okay, now let us move to the second one, that is the equation is this. Now in this same equation we have to put, that is P0. From P0 we will do first of all. Okay, then from P1 we will do, and in below we will do the P2. So let us write the equation first. P0 equals to 2 plus t plus 2 t square minus t cube. First of all we are putting in place of t 0. Okay, so 2 plus 0 plus 2 multiply by 0 t square minus 0 whole cube. 2 plus 0 will remain no value of 0, plus this 2 we are writing 0 square will be 0 and 0 cube will remain 0. So this statement we are not writing. Okay, because the whole statement will remain 0. Now again 2 plus 2 zeros are 0. Okay, and 2 plus 0 will be our answer 2. So now in this same equation we will put the value of 1. So let us write the first equation. 2 plus t plus 2 t square minus t cube. Okay. Now we will put 1 in place of t. So 2 plus 1 plus 2 multiplied by 1 whole square minus 1 cube. Okay. Now 2 plus 1 will be 3 plus 2 as it is, 1 square will remain 1 minus 1 cube will remain 1 only. Okay. Now 3 plus 2 ones are 2 minus 1. Now 3 plus 2, 5 minus 1. So our answer will be 4. So when we are putting the 1 in place of t, our polynomial answer is 4. Now let us do the third one. Now we will put the value 2. Okay, because in question 2 value is also there. So P2 equals to, again we are writing the question 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. Okay, this is our question. Now in place of t we will put the value 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 multiplied by 2 whole square minus 2 cube. Now 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2 as it is, 2 will remain as it is, and 2 square will be 4 minus, if we will multiply 2 cube will be 8, means if we multiply 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, means 2 cube will be our 8. Okay. So now 4 plus 4 to the 8 minus 8. Okay. So here our answer will be 8 plus 4, 12 minus 8. So 12 minus 8, our answer will be 4. So when we are putting the value of 2 in place of t, our polynomial answer will be 4. Okay. So this is the second one. Now move to the third one. Same question to third one. Now our equation is x cube and we have to same put. So first of all we are putting p0 in x cube. Okay. So in place of x we will put 0. So 0 cube will remain 0. So when we are putting the value 0 in variable x, our answer will be 0. Again here now we will put 1. So our answer will be 1. Okay. And here we will put p2 in x cube. So 2 cube will be our answer 8. Okay. So now let us move to the question second, fourth one. Now here is the equation. First of all we will put p0 in x minus 1 and x plus 1. So 0 minus 1, 1 bracket, and 0 plus 1. Okay. 0 minus 1 will be our minus 1 multiplied by 0 plus 1 will be 1. And 1 ones are 1, plus minus sign will be there. Okay. Now second, again now we are putting 1 in this equation, x minus 1 multiplied by x plus 1. When there is no sign between the bracket, means it is multiplication. Okay. So here 1 minus 1 and 1 plus 1. 1 minus 1 means 0, multiplied by 1 plus 1, 2, and 2 multiplied by 0, our answer will be 0. Okay. And the third, we have to put p equals to 2 in x minus 1 and x plus 1. So here we will put in place of x 2. 2 minus 1 and 2 plus 1. 2 minus 1 means 1. Multiply by 2 plus 1 will be 3. And 3 ones are 3. So this is the question second, fourth one. Okay. So in this way, we had completed our question second. In question second, total 3 types of question, 4 type of question is there. All the 4 we had solved. So please subscribe our channel MS Sukani Private Tuition on YouTube, and please also share to others. Thank you so much.